Mom, you are beautiful in every way. To all the mothers in heaven with love. She kisses me sometimes in my silent dreams. Who says bonds detach when close ones depart? Gates of memories never close. How much I miss you, no one knows. A mother's love is unconditional. Her temper is another story. A woman who doesn't ask for anything deserves everything. Life is like a candle which begins with light and ends with ashes. Be like a rose that perfumes the hand that crushes it. Drink hot coffee, drink hot tea, burn your lips and remember me. Some people find faults like there's a reward for it. You are perfect despite all imperfections. Look in the mirror and say, I am what I was looking for. You can't be perfect, you can strive to be better. Don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle. Let's celebrate life this day by doing something different. Why not we remember good and forget everything bad? This too shall pass. Bloom where you are planted. People as dear as you are rare, you just don't find them everywhere. Do not laugh at others but laugh with them. Life looks better when we laugh together. When nothing goes right, go left. Some wish you health, some wish you wealth. I wish you something that you wish yourself. Try to give wings to your dreams so they fly. You never know how amazing the world turns out to be. Love me little, love me long, love me till I am dead and gone. My slightest sigh gets scandalized. He murders and remains unnoticed. Do not miss a chance to create something that can make others smile. Roses are red, violets are blue. Nice ones like you are very few. Remember me by the rivers, remember me by the lakes. Remember me on your birthday and send me delicious cake. Remember, you can never please everybody, so don't ever try. Thousands of dreams, even if shatter, dream one more again is all that matter. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Love me little, love me long, love me till I am dead and gone. Love, live long. Prayer and faith have power to make everything possible what otherwise we think is next to impossible. Never turn scary to create commotion. Trees creak and crash without locomotion. He loved to live for my dreams. He hates when I dare to dream. He knows that I am his weakness. I know that he is my strength. Husband-wife relationship is as cute as Tom and Jerry. Not to worry, no query. I want to thank myself for never quitting the days of hard work, believing in me and being just me all the while. He pretends to hate me now as much as he loved me then. Do not jump on the conclusion unless conclusion jumps on you. I was his better half till yesterday. I feel that I am his worst foe today. Never throw a temper tantrum so as to win others' attention. Live every moment of your life to the fullest today so that you have no regrets for tomorrow. Just chill and celebrate life to be such fun. Appreciate one and all for the good job done. Stay awesome, stay cheerful, keep learning, keep smiling. We find pleasure to show off wealth when so many are dying in poverty. Stay cool and kind with gentle smile. You will be noticed mile after mile. We are great human beings but forgetting humanity. Follow your dreams, they know the way. Focus on your goal, it would not be far away. Aim high, and work hard, then be a winner, they say. Don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. The world is filled with nice people. If you can't find one, be one. He loves me or hates me, I'm not sure. He can't live without me, I'm damn sure. Nothing on this earth is a better place to reside than to have a loving family by our side. Do not be afraid to fight through some bad days. They are the ones to bring the best days later. Do not break the promises once you make. People will lose trust finding your promises fake. Sometimes it's better to keep your mouth shut and let people wonder if you are a fool than to open it and remove all doubt. I lay lonely in deep distress for the feelings I need to suppress. How can one stop taking breath and act the way someone directs? Sing sweet song, love live long. Do not trouble the trouble unless trouble troubles you. Staying home, saving lives. Pray for the whole world, stay safe. My dream illusions, your search for the finest poems will end the moment you read the ones I send. There isn't any trouble, just to smile, so smile when you're in trouble. It will vanish like a bubble if you only take a trouble, just to smile. Life is a puzzling treasure hunt. Enjoy the ride with all jest. Just chill and forget the rest. Do not be afraid of mistakes unknowingly done, because every mistake provides a lesson to learn. Pursue something for self, acquire identity, earn respect, feel blessed, be grateful. You are only one book away to lighten up your mood, and that is none other than my dream illusions. Never forget the days when you used to pray for what you have today, so keep on praying always. My ideas are what people will remember me for. Art makes many forms, mine is something to be enjoyed by generations to come. I need to love myself, I need to forgive myself, I need to be kind to myself, I need myself the way I am. Do not wait to love a person when he least deserves. That is the time when he needs it the most. Believe in purpose-driven life, so give your best every day. The poor die of hunger, the rich crave for taste. Remember, what you do today will improve your tomorrow. When the golden sun is setting and from labor you are free, when you sit and think of others, will you think of me? Receiving and reading birthday wishes was a pleasure beyond measure. It made me feel so blessed. The outward beauty gets faded and it does not last longer. The positive, beautiful thoughts remain in the heart forever. God has a purpose for everything. Friends, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.